So I've come down from the Rochester Road to Coty, or Coty House. I don't quite know what it looks like yet. Oh, here we go. Looks like a little Stonehenge. So that's 6,000 years old, 4,000 BC. Just give you a look at the surroundings. It's literally on the side of a field, but wow, that's a view and a half. So what have we got here? Four stones, 3 vertical and a cap. So it says here, the visible remains at Coty were part of the rectangular stone burial chamber which once stood at the east end of a large mound or barrow. Presumably would have gone off that way. The mound was constructed by digging a quarry ditch along each side, which has since been infilled. These long barrows were built during the Early Neolithic period, 3,500 to 2,800 BC, and represent the burial places of Britain's earliest farming communities. Walk around the outside. So I'd estimate, looking at my height, it's good 10 to 12 feet tall. Somebody has left a banana there. I mean, quite literally a whole banana. Okay. Okay, there's several more sites to look at in this area, and one of which I think is down there. Just a closer look at the stones. All of them have the usual pot marks in them. This bit has the usual graffiti. I don't know how well it will show on here. So you down here, obviously down there you've got, it's like T. Durban 1875. What was it, Aneve, is it 1875? 1885, that's the most dates I can see on there. Bypassing the banana. Very strange. There's Alan. Alan has left his mark. If I get inside the bars. The pot marks. Capstone is quite big. Now, Coty's burial mound is somewhere up there. To get to here is an impossible place to access. There's a busy road on a hill here. This is the entrance, but there's no obvious way to get to it. It's not like on a footpath or something. So I had to be naughty and come across, not across, but along the edge of this field, and up here there's a path that goes across that way, parallel with that tree line, and there's some holes in the fence, and then I just walked in, fortunately, which I hated to do, climbed over here. That's the only safe way to get here, at least as far as I can tell anyway. So this is little Kit's Coty House. also known as the Countless Stones. Apparently there's 20 sarsen stones here. According to the notes here, this was originally inside a mound. That has disappeared, obviously. So it's a little bit mysterious. Just a quick closer look. This is just for navigation. I'm standing in the just on the lay-by in the middle of the picture, near the blue dot. So the blue dot is that corner there. So I just can't hold the map steady. So Kit's Coty is the red dot. So two options is you walk up all the way up that road that disappears off the map, then you hitch with the path that comes down to it. The alternative is across from the lay-by. There's a path that goes into the forest here in the middle of the picture, leads down to a path there, and then you walk along to the base there, then across all these junctions you can walk up the hill there. But in terms of where the path is opposite the lay-by, that's the junction, road junction, and then the gap in the trees is there. You can't see it very well. Where's my finger? It's right there. There is actually steps that go down into the forest there. But it's very hard to get anywhere around here on foot. Now, this is just a query to people that understand these things. So there's a field of, I presume, wheat behind me. But on the edge are these weird looking things. I don't know how good it will be on zoom. Let me have a look. Oh, those things. You see those? Where's my finger? Those things. They just look very peculiar. It's coming nearer, yeah. What's that got to do with wheat?